Hey there, Rushpa this side. The tech landscape has been ablaze this week, highlighted by Google I/O, their flagship annual developer event where they showcase their latest innovation aiming to assert their dominance in the AI sphere. However, Google's moment in the spotlight was abruptly shared as OpenAI launched a significant update of their own, intensifying a rivalry between these two tech giants. Let's delve into their respective announcement, the groundbreaking innovation introduced, and ultimately determine who is currently leading in the AI domain. But before that, if you are really interested in learning AI tools, then we have an amazing workshop with just rupees 9. Link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
We'll start with Google I/O, where CEO Sundar Pichai and his team introduced a plethora of updates predominantly AI-centric, reflecting the current industry focus on artificial intelligence. Their standout feature was the Gemini 1.5 Pro, boasting a 2 million token context window, allowing the massive data handling capabilities. Imagine processing 2 hours of video and scrutinizing 60,000 lines of code at once. A notable enhancement is the introduction of context catching, which significantly reduce cost by reusing tokens, a critical improvement given the expensive nature of large-scale data processing. Google also unveiled Firebase GenKit designed to simplify the creation of AI-powered API endpoints, and they introduced Project IDX, a browser-based version of VS Code. Now available to the public, perhaps the most anticipated release was Firebase Data Connect, integrating PostgreSQL with Firebase, a highly requested feature that significantly benefits app developers needing robust data management. Just as Google seemed poised to dominate the headlines, OpenAI made a surprise move by releasing their spring update just before Google's event unveiling the ChatGPT for OpenAI. Before talking about the new model, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Now let's get back to our update. This new AI model is not only faster and more cost-effective than its predecessor GPT-4 Turbo, but also supports text, vision, and audio integration within a single system. The standout feature of GPT-4 Omni is its versatile tone adjustment capability, seamlessly shifting from a casual California girl accent to dramatic or sarcastic tones, and even adopting a soothing voice for bedtime stories.
In a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
But I want a little bit more emotion in your voice, a little bit more drama.
Got it. Let's add some drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours.
OpenAI also revealed plans to integrate GPT-4 Omni into iPhones, potentially giving them a significant advantage over Google, which is also aiming to place their AI Gemini on Apple's update. This sets the stage for a heated competition in mobile AI, evaluating the real-world performance of these AI models. OpenAI GPT-4 Omni is redefined the boundaries of AI capabilities. It's not just about recognizing words, understanding context, tone, and associated visual elements, transform it from a technological novelty to a revolutionary tool. It's paving the way for more intuitive virtual assistant, customer service bots, and personal companions that interact in a genuinely human-like behavior. While Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro is technically impressive, particularly with its vast context window, it still lacks the human touch that OpenAI's model offers. Google has integrated its AI into widely used tools, enhancing functionalities like email summarization in Workspace Labs and AI-driven overviews in Google Search. These integrations are undoubtedly practical but lack of wow factors that OpenAI's multi-modal capabilities bring. In terms of innovation, Google's Project Astra seems akin to OpenAI's multi-modal AI, with both capable of understanding multiple forms of media, However, Google's demonstration of asking Astro for the location of glasses. Do you remember where you saw my glasses?
Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
Showcase some latency and a less natural response, indicating that Google is still catching up. Another significant from Google is Google's VO model, a generative video model aimed at competing with OpenAI Sora can produce high-quality 1080p videos while promising the output sometimes lacks the clarity seen in OpenAI demonstrations, highlighting a critical area where Google is still striving to match OpenAI's achievement. Addressing leadership dynamics, OpenAI recently parted ways with Ilya Sutskever, one of their co-founders and chief scientist. His departure marks a significant change and introduced some uncertainty within OpenAI, though CEO Sam Altman and expressed continuous commitment to their strategic objectives. Conversely, Google's leadership remains stable as they aggressively pursue innovations to bridge the gap with competitors. Google has announced new hardware development like Trillium TPUs and Axion CPUs, emphasizing their focus on creating a robust infrastructure to support their AI ambitions. This infrastructure is essential for scaling AI capabilities and making them more accessible. Public perceptions plays a critical role. Hope you found this video useful. This was Ushma signing off until next time.